Okay, so keep in mind that the liquid would have been more localized than when your kid is using this diaper overnight, but it is quite the interesting experiment. And that was only the larger part of the insert. So here in this photo, I'm showing you our setup for overnights. We actually use the overnight inserts, which are those two gray inserts, and then that blue one is actually a bamboo booster, so it just adds that much more absorption. So if you're interested in seeing just what compression leaks look like, this is what would happen. You see that there's a lot of liquid just in the insert, and as soon as there's pressure of any sort applied to the insert, then that's when you start to leak. And overnights do cause grief for a lot of parents because maybe your baby sleeps on its tummy, so then there's more pressure there. Anyway, figuring out your overnight setup is quite difficult. We love the setup as I showed in that picture before. I know other parents will try to use other absorbencies to try to pinpoint which one works best for their babe. And I know some people just use disposables because it's just too frustrating. Anyway, let me know in the comments below which overnight inserts you swear by, and if you have any questions, just feel free to ask. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel, taking the time to watch this video, and for subscribing as well. I hope you have a great day, and all the best in figuring out those overnight leaks.